Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fix Dola AI output errors, a full guide for 2026. If your outputs are failing, incomplete, or showing errors, these steps will help you get back on track. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dola AI needs a strong and reliable connection to generate outputs correctly. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Next, restart your browser or the Dola AI app. Temporary glitches can cause output errors, and a quick restart often solves the problem. Then clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can interfere with output generation. Go to Browser Settings, clear cache, reload Dola AI, and try again. Browser extensions or VPNs can sometimes cause output errors. Disable ad blockers, security add-ons, or VPNs temporarily and test Dola AI again. Finally, if it still doesn't work, try a different browser or device. Switching from Chrome to Edge or from PC to another device can help determine if the issue is local or account-specific. And that's it. These steps usually fix Dola AI output errors. If problems persist, contact support. They can help with account-specific issues. Thanks for watching.